Hey, in this video I'm going to be polychaining the DeepMind 6 and the DeepMind 12 to make a DeepMind 18. So let's take a look at how we do that and see how they sound. The first thing we need to do is set up the first DeepMind, whichever one you're going to be using as a controller. I'm using the DeepMind 6 here because it has the keyboard, and the DeepMind 12 I have is the desktop version. To find the options for the polychaining, we'll use the Poly Edit button here. So if we press this, we can scroll through. I'll just move the camera to make that clearer. Once we're in the poly menu, we can see the voice parameters. If we scroll through the menu, it'll bring us up to Polychain here. Now you only need to turn Polychain on for the first or any successive synth that you're using. You don't need to turn it on for the last one, so we're just going to set it for this one for the time being. And then exit the menu again. So now the 6 should have complete control over the 12. And let's have a listen. We can watch the voice lights come up on here, and we should see them add on there as it moves over. With them polychained, the 12 will now mirror any control changes that I make on the 6. So if we take a look at the filter envelopes here, we go to VCA filter on the 6, and then watch the display on the DeepMind 12. I've adjusted the contrast to try to make it as clear as possible. And the filter. And the mod envelope. One of the things that I have noticed though is that if we use the controls on the 12 at the end of the chain itself, then it will maintain the difference in the settings. So if we watch the mod envelope here, as if I change it on the 12, see the shape, we can bottom that out. And then try to bring that back on the 6. You can see it maintains the difference in the curves here. Let's try and show you that. I'll try and match it manually again. But now that they're chained, we can scroll through and select patch changes from just the one device. One of the things that it doesn't do, however, is move any voices across using the ARP. Although this 3-note ARP appears to use 2 voices each, if we add onto those, it still kind of works on its own polyphony on just the DeepMind 6. Anyway, I hope this has been of interest to somebody. As usual, like, comment, any questions in the comments below, and thanks for watching.